The My Father Le Bijou 1922 is an incredible smoke. Upon first light, it becomes apparent how truly special this cigar really is. The very beginning of this cigar is full of rich notes of coffee and dark chocolate with a little bit of savoriness coming out on the finish. And though its smoke doesn't have the most volume of any cigar, its flavor is definitely making up for that with intensity. Into the first third, that savoriness from the beginning has developed into a nice leather on the finish. Though right here, the leaf started cracking and splitting a little bit, but with this being the only instance of that issue occurring with this stick, I'm not going to hold any points against it. About halfway through the cigar, the smoke became way thicker and much more flavorful. I was really surprised with how quickly it ramped up. Not to mention how strong this ash is. I was worried about it falling into my lap, but that really wasn't an issue. After that, I had no problem just kicking back and relaxing. Though that split continued to be a problem, I just kept puffing on. A little bit past the halfway point, that coffee flavor started to develop into a really sweet cocoa that I was really enjoying, and that leather had a little bit of a peppery bite there on the finish. The final third remained pretty consistent with the second, however that cocoa deepened into a more salted caramel and cocoa flavor, with the black pepper becoming more prominent and that little split still pestering me. You can see here that it's actually the leaf unraveling. Overall, despite a few complaints, this remains to this day one of my favorite cigars of all time, and it very much deserves that 97 rating from Cigar Aficionado. Although this cigar is not for the faint of heart, it's really strong and really bold, and you might want to have a drink when you smoke it. But that's it for this review, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, maybe subscribe, share it around the web with your friends. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them in the comments below.